na. Hindi yung parang, ang dami mo pang kailangan anuhin. So,
magbabasa ng manual.
Oo, di ba pinakamahirap magbasa ng manual?
Iintindihin mo, Mami Man.
So, that's what I love about the Cherry products because it's so user-friendly.
Yeah.
It's so user-friendly, it's so convenient, and like the cameras, meron siyang feeling na I feel safe. Siyempre, I'm a mom. Like, a lot of people here are, di ba, katulad niya, nandito ako, meron akong anak na nasa bahay. Pero meron kaming CCTV na nakakonect sa phone ko, na pag tinignan ko, ito pala siya. Maganda, meron pa kaming CCTV na may 360, masusundan talaga, may motion detector, meron pa CCTV na pang outside. So there's so many products talaga na I think the best way I could describe it is it's really so convenient.
Yun, I love that. And that's one